Hi everyone, my name is Grace and this is Training with Grace Yoga. Today we're doing easy twisting. This video is for anybody who is maybe a beginner to yoga and you generally have a really stiff, tight body. We're gonna go through some really gentle twisting postures to help loosen you up and unwind. So when you're ready, meet me on your mat. Today we're going to begin in a seated position with our legs out long. Once you get to a comfortable spot, bend your right knee and then place your right foot on the outside of your left knee. Inhale your arms up to the sky with your biceps up by your ears, and then gently twist to your right side, bringing your left hand wrapped around your right knee. And then you're gonna drop your right hand behind your tailbone with your fingers facing towards the back of your mat. It's really important once you begin in this posture to sit up nice and tall. You wanna lengthen your spine all the way through the crown of your head. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale, gently twist a little bit deeper. For a deeper twist, you can turn your gaze towards the back of your mat for a full spinal twist. Or if you're comfortable just looking forward, that's totally great too. Take another deep breath in and a deep breath out. I'm gonna do one more inhale and exhale, twist. Inhale, unwind, coming back to center with your biceps up by your ears. Place your right leg back down out in front of you and shake out your legs. You can relax your arms down as well. Now bend your left knee and place your left foot on the outside of your right knee. Inhale your biceps up by your ears, reaching up high for the sky. And then gently twist to the left side, bringing your right arm wrapped around your knee. And then your left hand behind you with your fingers facing to the back of your mat. Take a deep breath in, lengthen your spine up nice and tall. And then exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Take another deep inhale, fill up your belly with air. And exhale, twist. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, unwind, come back to center. Drop your right foot out long, wiggle out your legs, and let your arms rest down. Now you're going to scoot your bottom up a little bit closer to the top of your mat and come to lying down on your back. You're going to hug your knees into your chest, give your legs a big squeeze, and then goalpost your arms or cactus your arms. From here, you're going to take a deep breath in and exhale, drop your legs to the left side of your mat. You have the option here to bring your left hand to the outside of your right knee to aid in a little bit deeper of a twist. Whatever feels best for you. We're just gonna take a few rounds of breath here. Take a deep inhale, fill up with air, and a deep exhale. Take another deep inhale, and a deep breath out. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, hug your knees into your chest. And then inhale, goalpost your arms. Exhale, twist to the right side of your body. Again, you have the option to bring your right hand to the top of your left knee to aid in a deeper twist. Whatever's feeling best for your body. If your body is specifically really tense and tight, you want to avoid pushing your body into a twist and rather just let the twist come organically. Take a deep breath in. Stay here for your exhale. Take a deep inhale and exhale, let the air out. And then inhale, hug your knees back into your chest. Exhale as you give your legs a squeeze. And then roll onto your right side in the fetal position and gently press yourself up. Make your way into tabletop to the top of your yoga mat. You want your shoulders stacked over your wrists and your hips stacked over your knees. If be sure that your knees are hip-width distance apart. From here, inhale your right arm up high to the sky as much as you can. Stay here for your exhale. Take another deep breath and reach a little bit deeper. Exhale, thread the needle. You're gonna bring your right arm underneath and through your left, bringing your right ear down to your yoga mat. From here, you can extend your left arm up to the top of your mat, or if you'd like, you can go for a half bind, bringing your left arm behind your back. Take a deep breath in. Stay here for your exhale. Take a deep inhale, fill up every inch of your body with air. And as you exhale, feel your body relaxing. One more full cycle of breath, inhale. And exhale. Gently bring your left palm beneath your right shoulder. Ground down through your left hand and inhale your right arm up high to the sky. And exhale, tabletop pose, plant your hands. Now inhale your left arm up high to the sky. Stay here for your exhale. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, thread the needle. Bring your left arm under and through. Bringing your left ear down to your yoga mat. You have the option here to extend your right arm to the top of your mat, or you can wrap your arm for a half bind behind your back. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take another deep inhale and a deep exhale. Take one more deep breath in and exhale, let it out. Gently bring your right hand beneath your right shoulder. Ground down through your right hand and inhale your left arm up high to the sky. And exhale, tabletop pose. Inhale, tuck your toes. And exhale, downward facing dog. Send your hips up and back behind you. Press down through your palms to send your chest toward your thighs. If this is too intense on your hamstrings, you can lift your heels up a little bit by adding a slight bend to your knees. Take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, ragdoll pose. Step your toes directly behind your wrists so your feet are hip-width distance apart. Bend your knees so much that your torso can rest on your thighs. Let your head and neck hang heavy so your gaze is between your legs. And from here, you have the option to grab opposite elbows. Try to gently shift your weight from your heels into your toes. If you feel like you're going to tip over, you can bring your hands in front of you to the top of your mat. When you shift your weight forward, you'll feel a little bit more of a stretch in the back of your legs. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, release your hands down if you have them in a bind. Center your left hand in front of both of your feet. And inhale your right arm up high to the sky. Maybe your right leg straightens and your left leg stays bent. Or you can try bending both of your legs. Take whatever's feeling good in your body. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, twist. Last inhale. Exhale, fold forward, bend both knees. Center your right hand in front of both of your feet and inhale your left arm up high to the sky. Find the positioning that feels good in your knees. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, stay here. Last deep breath in. Exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, halfway lift, bring your palms to your shins. Flatten your back, add a slight bend to your knees and keep your gaze down. And then exhale, plant your palms and tippy-toe your feet all the way to the back of your mat till you're in high plank. And then send your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Inhale your right leg high. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms and breathe here. Drop down to your back knee and untuck your back toes. And inhale, low lunge twist. Lift your right arm up high to the sky. If you have pain in your shoulder, you can just extend your arm back behind you. Now, find the position that feels good. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, twist a little bit more. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, twist. One more inhale. Exhale, low lunge, plant your palm. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, half splits. Gently shift your weight back, flexing your right toes up high to the sky. You can walk your palms up by your side. Take a deep breath in, lift up off the stretch a little bit. And then exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift off the stretch. Exhale, fold forward. One more time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, low lunge, gently shift your weight forward. Exhale here. Inhale, tuck your back toes, lift your knee up off the mat. And exhale, downward facing dog. Send your foot back. And then press your hips up and back behind you. Inhale, your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Drop down to your back knee. Untuck your back toe. And inhale, low lunge twist. Lift your left arm up high to the sky. Remember to find the positioning that feels good in your shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, twist. One more inhale. Exhale, low lunge. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, half split. Slowly press your hips back, flexing your left toes up to the sky. You can walk your palms down by your side. Take a deep breath in, back off the stretch. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, low lunge. Tiptoe your fingertips back to the top. Stay here for your exhale. And inhale, tuck your back toe, lift your knee up off the mat. Exhale, send your foot back for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale your weight forward to high plank. And exhale, tabletop pose. From here, inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly down to the earth. Shine your chest and neck up to the sky. And then exhale, cat pose. Press through your palms, rounding your spine up to the sky. Let your head and neck hang heavy. Now just flow through cat-cow with your own breath. Moving very slowly and fluidly here. Good. Just a few more rounds of breath. And on your next exhale, come to a neutral spine. And then have a seat. Thank you so much for taking time to do your yoga with me today. I really hope that this video helped you loosen up the tension in your body and helped aid some relaxation for yourself. If you'd like to access my longer yoga videos, you can find the directions in the description of this video. And also, if you like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, feel free to leave that down below. Thanks for flowing with me. Namaste.